This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
So my next question is, how do you differentiate starting tags and ending tags in HTML?
Okay, in HTML, starting tags are denoted by three parts, like is less than sign. Then you have to put your tag name in the second place. Then third one is greater than sign. And for ending sign, denoted by like first you have to put less than sign. Then you have to forward slash. Then your tag name, then is greater than sign. Basic difference is forward slash in between two indenting and starting tag.
Understood. Well, so here is my feedback is, from now, none of the question can be the book version anymore.
Okay.
So the moment I ask how do you differentiate starting tags and ending tags in HTML, it was a tricky question. The answer will be, well, on my user story, I am supposed to create a body tag. So when I put the body tag, I put the tag name, body, and then I put all the details in the body and the forward slash and end the tag. So you have to give the exactly how you used, where you used it.
Okay.
Even though I asked you what is the starting and ending tag, it was a tricks.
Okay.
The answer has to be where you have used it. You got it? Maybe use the story in a form, on a page, on a paragraph, right? So that has to be
yes. Yeah.